Greetings, my respected colleagues. I'm Professor Leesungbok, and I'm thrilled to introduce my upcoming lecture at the 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium. My focus, it will be on achieving optimal implant stability in full arch cases. We'll dive deep into techniques that not only enhance each implant stability but also improve our approach to full arch restorations using Neobiotech's revolutionary products. It's not just theory. I'll back up our journey with practical cases showcasing the impact of these techniques. Success stories, not just from theory, but from more than 25 years of my experience and research on this subject. Join me in reshaping the clinical workflow on full arch cases based on the top-down and restoration-driven philosophy. Let's achieve innovation in implant dentistry together. See you at the 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium, where we'll promote our understanding and redefine possibilities in implant dentistry. Don't miss out. See you there.